I'm Bill with Fluke Calibration. I am going to show you how to calibrate DC voltage on a digital voltmeter. In this section, we're going to calibrate the DC voltage on this digital DMM. We select the appropriate range. I'm using standard leads in this. I'm connecting it now to the DMM. Since you're in the voltage, you see the visual management engage, telling you the appropriate place to enter your connector test leads. You press operate. At this point, you can make any correction to the DMM so it matches appropriately. You also have the capability of doing a ×10. And you also have be able to move to 100. That'll put you on standby because you're above 30 volts. Press operate. Now you're engaged into the 100 volt range. At that point, you're done with the calibration. Just press standby.